Now, having a mince pie at Christmas is very Christmassy. What isn't Christmassy? But wonderful. It's baking in the sun on the 24th of December. I am sweating and it's fantastic. So this is a really short wee clip, and it's just I want to thank everybody. My YouTube channel, I've been traveling almost a year. No, I've been traveling a year this week, and my YouTube channel is basically a year old, and I want to thank all my subscribers. I've nearly reached 500, and that is just like, if you'd have said to me at the start, would I get to 500? Probably not, but I want to get to 1,000. That's my big one. But I want to thank everyone that's subscribed, everybody that watches my videos, and especially all my friends who leave comments and chat about the videos to me. But it's been a wild year. I mean, you have to think about it. Just over a year ago, I was a driving instructor in Belfast and took the massive risk of selling up, doing what I'm doing, and it's just unbelievable. What a fantastic thing to do at my stage of life. It was my birthday yesterday, and it's a big birthday yesterday. I'll not tell you what one. So yeah, it's been a great year, and I'm really looking forward to the next year. First few months are going to be pretty quiet, but I do have plans. I imagine next year I could end up in Thailand. So that was just a thank you to everybody, you know. Anyone that's watching this now, it's just nice that you enjoy. Nice that you get some sort of pleasure out of my occasional daft videos. Alright, so from me and my 2 dogs, Merry Christmas! See you next time. Bye bye.
12 seconds later.
Oh, and I forgot to say, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I need your subscriptions. Anyone who watches all the videos, please subscribe. It really helps the channel. I can't tell you how much. The more subscriptions you get, the more YouTube shows your videos to people. And don't forget to hit the wee bell icon, because that also helps, and the thumbs up, and it helps. The comments are great. So again, bye, till next time, and Happy New Year, although I'll probably see you before the New Year.